Hey everybody, this is Kirby Witt, Team Witt Customs. We're doing some more rust repair back on the C10, trying to get it wrapped up. We've had a lot of requests for some fab videos and more on welding, things like that. So as I promised, I'm going to try to bring you some more. Just going to show you where we're at with this piece. It's under the cowl on the left side behind the gauge cluster, and we had to cut out some rust, fabricate a new piece. Just fitting the piece right now, so I'll show you where we're at. Piece we're fabricating, and you can see up in here we got this step put back in. We go across the top, and something like this I like to leave just a little bit of gap. They'll be a little tighter once I fit it in, but it just makes it a lot easier to weld those together and just have a nice flat seam there without much work at all. And I've outlined the rest of it where over here we'll cut that and trim that, cut along here. You can see where it's going to be butt welded there. We'll cut it over to the end, so all this is butt welded together. And then up here, this piece of the cowl, you can see where the fresh air vent is actually lapped over. You can see at the where the original piece is still, it's lapped over and plug welded. I'll punch holes there, and where these screws are, I was using to hold it in place, and so we'll weld it back on like the factory was. That corner I'll trim back so it lines up even with this one. This will all be butt welded and sit flush in there, and we should have a good looking piece. I'll get that cut out and we'll show you where we're at once we have it all welded in. Appreciate you guys following us. Thank you.